I'm Keith Winn, and I'm going to show you how you're going to create market reports better looking, faster, and easier than you ever have before using AI tools. It all starts with a property address. It doesn't even have to be a listed property. You enter the address in Google Chrome. You find a link, such as a Zillow link, where it talks about the property the last time it was listed. It'll say how many bedrooms and some of the characteristics of the property. Take that URL, put it into an AI tool that I'm going to teach you about called a GPT. It'll either be ChatGPT or Gemini. We're going to train or program that tool so it knows what you want in a CMA, how to express it, and then how to present it. This is going to be faster, easier, and much more impressive to your clients than anything you've ever done before. I do need to say a quick thank you to Stamp Staff and George Moorhead. Stamp Staff sponsored George Moorhead, who trained a number of agents online on how to use these type of tools. It was that training that ignited my passion and started my journey on learning how to do this, and now I would like to share it with you. Thank you, Stamp Staff, and thank you, George Moorhead, for getting this all started. How easy is this? Easy. You type in a property address. You find a Zillow link, whether it's currently listed or previously listed. You take that link, the URL at the top. By simply pasting it in, this is the output. A seller report. I told the GPT that people were sending this to are Richard and Audrey. Here are the various sections that automatically got created only from having the Zillow link. Property overview. Now I did have to insert that picture. Market analysis, trends. This is pretty magical. It created target buyer personas and a marketing strategy for each. And a conclusion. Me being a little nerdy, created an appendix that it automatically generated where it shows more detail in each of the comparables. After delivering that, about 2 weeks later, these sellers asked me for an update. I put the same information back in, and look at this, automatically formatted with 2 recommendations of what they should do based on the falling prices and terrible market in this Gulf Front condo. And that's it. You ready to get started? Let's go. The tools we're going to use are described as GPT, agents, or bots. GPT is just a big fancy word. You don't even want to know what it means. The generalist versions are free. ChatGPT and Gemini have free versions that do a pretty good job. But what you really want is to pay $20 a month and get the specialist version. The specialist version allows you to train it. That's a fancy word, right? Train it on what your style is. You can upload examples of how you write. You can even upload examples of your marketing and sales processes. Once you upload these documents called training, your bot will be able to answer your questions based on the way you'd pre-trained it. We mentioned 2 tools. This is ChatGPT, the free version. You just go to chatgpt.com. You ask a question, tell me about the real estate market in Florida. And it comes back with some pretty interesting stuff. Tells you where it gets the information. Rocket from the city website, some of your competitors. It even asks you follow-up questions like whether you like specific segments on beachfront condos, but it's still very general, doesn't really help you a lot. That's ChatGPT. You can see over here that there's nowhere to give it information, to train it or teach it, your style and approach and processes to sales and marketing. That's the limitation of the free version. And you just have to go get plus, and then you pay $20 a month. Let's look at Gemini. This is Gemini, the free version, gemini.google.com. Let's ask it the same question. The information looks generally similar to what ChatGPT provided. In Gemini, the free version, if we roll over the hamburger and go explore gems, it actually looks like it's going to let you create a gem, which is the customization we've been talking about on how to train these GPTs or bots. Now, this is the part you've all been waiting for. This is where we build the expert assistant. We tell it its persona. We give it the knowledge of how to create a CMA and what we want it to do. And we give it step-by-step instructions. Here you go. We're going to use Gemini, and I have the Pro version. Looks like the free version might work quite similar for y'all, but if you're really getting serious about using GPTs, you're going to end up paying $20 a month. When you roll over the hamburger, you can see Explore Gems. This is where you create a new gem. You can see I've already got some where I told it how to be a realtor broker, How to be an expert on my wife's car. Uploaded the whole darn manual, 150 pages. It tells me how the thing works. It's great. Let's start a new gem. First, you give it a name. I'm using level 0 here because I think that I'm going to start with an easy one for us all. Next, you need instructions. Here's the instructions I created for this first level gem. I just said, you're a top producing Florida real estate agent with broker certification and experience in data analyst capabilities, right? You're with my brokerage, Guaranteed Home Sales, Winn team. Your input will be a public Zillow URL for the subject property. And what you're going to do is you're going to generate a report. I taught it to use the word home for houses and condo for condominiums. I hate when these GPTs say apartments when it's really a condo. Property overview. So these are the different things that I want it to create as an output after looking at the Zillow URL. There you go. You can even add your own. Let's copy and paste this in. So now we just hit paste. Look at that. It's all there. Formatting gets a little messed up with this, so you just do some cleanup. Whoops. Now we've just cleaned up the formatting. Let's just take a quick look. We tell it about the different sections. We specifically say when constructing the estimate of the range, do not use estimates from websites like Zillow, Redfin, or any other home sites. Base it on your own market research, active pending, and closed comps. We're almost ready to go. In more advanced levels, you can add additional knowledge, even files as examples, but here that's not important. If you'd like, you can enter a test question here, but let's just go right to save, and we'll be able to enter a test question there. You can always come back and modify and expand and enhance the instructions for this expert gem. Look at that. It's been saved and created. We're going to start a chat. Okay, now the fun part, a test drive. We've got Gemini all taught how we want it to create a CMA. All we need to do is give it the link so it can understand the characteristics of the property, and then it will create this report. Here we go. Remember how we looked up the property in Google and found it on Zillow even if it's not listed? Here's an off market. Then we take the URL and copy it. Where do you copy it? Into the gem in Gemini, where you just taught it all the things you want it to do. Now you submit and keep your fingers crossed. Look at it. It's looking at the neighborhood investigations. It's beginning property research. It's analyzing details. It's extracted the property details from Zillow. It knows the characteristics. It's added recent renovations about the condominium. It's looking at property data. And right here, it's created the home seller report for 97 North 710. It's found comps. It's included the notes we've asked it to. It's including some pending comps, and it's giving a home value estimate. It's providing buyer personas, seller tips, and a nice soft conclusion. That's really cool. Now, this completes the first chapter. We have all the content we need. In the next video tutorial, we're going to show how to take this into a tool named Gamma and have it automatically format an amazing report for you to share with your customers, either online or through an email. Stay tuned. If you've watched it this far, thank you very much. And now you know the drill. Just press subscribe and like, and it will really help us out. Thank you.